CVMC, ECE, NMMC, Triple E. Unit 3, multiple integrals. Lesson 10, problem 23. Evaluate integral 1 to e integral 1 to log y integral 1 to e power x log z dz dx dy. Solution: I is equal to integral 1 to e integral 1 to log y integral 1 to e power x log z. First with respect to z dz. Next with respect to log y is there, x. Last y. Integral 1 to e integral 1 to log y. Integral log z is z log z minus z. Formula 1 to e power x dx dy integral 1 to e integral 1 to log y. Substitute upper limit. Instead of z you write e power x. So e power x log e power x minus e power x. Upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit. 1 log 1 minus 1. Dx dy. Integral 1 to e integral 1 to log y log e power x is x log e. Log e is 1. So this is x e power x minus e power x. Log 1 is 0. So minus of minus plus 1 dx dy is equal to integral 1 to e. Now use integration here, chain rule for this. So you write x e power x integration e power x minus x derivative 1, again e power x integration e power x minus e power x integration e power x plus integral 1 dx is x 1 to log y dy 1 to log y dy is equal to integral 1 to e. Substitute upper limit log y e power log y minus e power log y minus e power log y plus log y. This is your upper limit minus lower limit. Instead of x write 1 1 e power 1 e power 1 e power 1 plus 1 dy is equal to integral 1 to e power log y, that is y. So y log y minus y plus log y minus minus of minus plus e minus 1. E cancel here. dy is equal to integral 1 to e y log y minus 2y plus log y plus e minus 1 dy. Integral log y integral log y dy. This is u, this is v. Integral uv, u integral v minus integral u dash integral v. Integral by parts formula. So here u means log y, integral v means y square by 2, integral u dash log y derivative 1 by y, integral v means y square by 2 dy. So y square by 2 log y cancel, y square by 2 into 2, y square by 4, log 1 0, log e is equal to 1, e power log m base e is equal to m, log a power x base b, x into log a base b. These are the important formula used in this problem. These are the important formula used this problem. Now, problem continuation. So, y log y integration y square by 2 log y minus y square by 4 minus 2y integration y square by 2 log y integration y log y minus y e integral dy y e y minus 1 integral dy y 1 to e. First you substitute upper limit e square by 2 log e 1 minus e square by 4 minus e square log e 1. So y means e. E minus e plus e square minus e. This is your upper limit value minus lower limit. Log 1 0, so 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 log 1 0 minus 1 plus e minus 1. This is equal to e square by 2 minus e square by 4. So 4 LCM 2 e square minus e square by 4. E square cancel. E cancel. Minus e. So here we get minus e. Constant term value. So 4 LCM e square minus 4e minus 4e plus 13. Your final answer is 1 by 4 e square minus 8e plus 13. Problem 24. Evaluate integral minus 1 to 1 integral 0 to z integral x minus z to x plus z, x plus y plus z, dx dy dz, dx dy dz. Solution: I is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 integral 0 to z integral x minus z to x plus z, x plus y plus z. We have to integrate first. Here x comma z appears here. Opposite variable is y. So first we have to integrate with respect to y. Y is over dx dz. Z is there. So opposite variable x. So dx. So last variable dz. Minus 1 to 1 into 0 to z. Integration with respect to y, x constant, xy, y square by 2, yz, x minus z to x plus z, dx dz. Integral minus 1 to 1, integral 0 to z. Substitute instead of y, you write x plus z, x into x plus z plus x plus z whole square by 2 plus y into x, z into x plus z, z into x plus z. This is our upper limit minus lower limit. X into x minus z plus x minus z whole square by 2 plus z into x minus z, dx dz, dx dz. So minus 1 to 1, 0 to z, x square plus xz plus zx plus z square. Here a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. 4ab, 4xz by 2. 4xz by 2. These two. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. 4ab. So 4xz by 2 is there. So minus x square plus xz plus zx minus z square, dx dz. Minus 1 to 1 into 0 to z. Z square cancel. 2 zx zx. So 4 zx. So here minus and minus plus z square. This is plus z square. X square cancel. 2 zx, 4 zx, zx cancel. 4 zx. Z square plus z square, 2 z square. Minus 1 to 1 with respect to x. 2 z square x plus 4 z x square by 2. 0 to z dz. Minus 1 to 1. Instead of x, you write z. 2z cube plus z cube, 2z cube. Lower limit 0, dz. Minus 1 to 1, 4 z cube dz. It's an odd function actually. Of course, integration also. Z for 4 by 4 minus 1 to 1. 4 cancel. 1 for 4 minus half minus 1 whole for 4. So 1 minus 1, 0. Problem 25. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 integral 0 to a sin theta integral 0 to a square minus r square by a r dz dr d theta r dz dr d theta. Solution. I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 0 to a sin theta 0 to a square minus r square by a r. Here r is there. Actually these are theta limits, 0 to pi by 2 theta limits. Here r is there, so that's why we have to first integrate with respect to z. Next r, next theta. 0 to pi by 2 0 to a sin theta integral r constant, integral dz is z 0 to a square minus r square by a dr d theta. So 0 to pi by 2 to 0 to a sin theta r into a square minus r square by a upper limit. Instead of z you write upper limit dr d theta 1 by a common 0 to pi by 2 0 to a sin theta a square r minus r cube dr d theta 1 by a 0 to pi by 2 a square r square by 2 r integration r square by 2 r cube integration r power 4 by 4 0 to a sin theta d theta 1 by a 0 to pi by 2. Substitute upper limit. Instead of r you write a sin theta a square sin square theta a square into a square a power 4 sin square theta by 2. Here a power 4 sin power of 4 theta by 4 d theta. So common a power 4 a cancel a cube 1 by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta 1 by 4 integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power of 4 theta d theta. Already you know the formula, values formula n minus 1 by n, that formula n minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into pi by 2 1 by 4 into this is 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2 using values formula. Already that formula is given to you. A cube pi by 8 minus 3 pi by 64. So 64 is LCM. A cube 8 pi minus 3 pi by 64 is equal to 5 pi a cube 5 pi a cube by 64. This is your answer.